we're out and about on a Monday morning. Nothing like starting your week out right with a off-road recovery in the old Cherokee with the off-road trailer. So we're headed up the Tokerville Falls area, one of the roads that I hate the most, that I do the most work on. So we're working our way in here, and we're going to pick up a 4-seat Can-Am that I think it's got a bearing or something going out. So we're going to get over there and get it loaded up. It's for Bill at Utah Off-Road Tours, so we're going to get him taken care of, get it back to the shop and get her fixed up so we can get it out on tour again. Got Becky running cameras today, so we'll take you along for the ride. We made it. I'm so excited. It's always something. Looks like the wheel bearing's falling off.
Yep.
Looks like that front tire's leaning pretty good on that old girl. I'll bet it was making some noise, that's for sure. Let's see if we can get her jockeyed around. Oh man, must be getting old. This road's getting rougher and rougher every day. Are you high grading snacks, Becky? Find me.
Well, Dr. Pepper and Coke.
Oh, look at that, Bill.
And some trail mix.
Bill always fixes us up. See, we're out here skipping lunch today for Bill. And look what we got. We got all the good stuff. Who high graded all the good stuff out of here? Oh, look. Oh, look at that. That's my favorite. And Dr. Pepper for the road. Such a good man, Bill. Such a good man. Ooh, yeah, baby. It is a bad bearing. I'm not a very good driver. Can't even get the tire to turn. There we go. Oh, maybe it's a CV axle. That's a nice tire there. Am I on? That thing's seized up. It's never a good thing. Don't want to shut this thing off. My air conditioner will quit working. How spoiled am I? front left tire wasn't spinning at all there, so we got her all strapped down and got this thing dropped down in low range. Just gonna work our way back out of here real quick. Should be a pretty good time, and we'll go from there. Our shot?
Yeah.
Let's go. This is where my squeakers start squeaking. My front control arm bushings drive me crazy. This is always a big jump off right here. Hope my brakes work. Be a good time to lose my brakes. Yeah, we've had a little moisture on the road around here. This was about, holy smokes.
Holy cow.
Talk about it. Pretty wild. We'll stop and show you that on the way out. You're in trouble. Wow.
It's like a natural disaster out here.
Yep, hers. Getting your gravel back.
Hey.
I found you. All right, well, we got them out with no problem. That little two-wheel drive Ford F-150 was stuck, but we was able to get them out. You see we've had a little bit of rain here. Sand's washing away and it's a big old mess. Look over here, babe. Wow. Unbelievable amounts of water. But we'll take it when we can get it. Had a little rain, yes we did. The new Grand Canyon on the cattle guard, huh?
Oh, in that giant hole. Almost drove in it.
Unbelievable.
Hey, get out of the way, Lincoln. Damn you. Casey's Wagon Recovery.
About done right there, boys.